Mukesh Ambani just dropped a bomb. Boom. India's largest telecom giant just teamed up with the world's largest money managing company. Is it just a deal or a power shift? Let's see. Now we all know Mukesh Ambani led Jio has businesses into various sectors, and one of its arm is in the financial sector, called as the Jio Financial Services Limited. Now JFSL has entered into a 50-50 JV agreement with the world's largest asset managing company, BlackRock Incorporation, forming Jio BlackRock. The aim of Jio BlackRock is to become a digital first financial platform where it would provide all financial services like loans, insurance, borrowings, leasing, asset management. But why? Look, India's financial sector is still very much untapped. With this, they would target individuals and small businesses not just in urban areas, but also in semi urban and rural areas. Jio BlackRock has already entered into the market through its mutual funds. Now, why mutual funds? Reason being, India's mutual fund market is already valued at 70 lakh crores and it is still very much untapped. This is because in India, mutual funds are provided through various intermediaries like commission agents, distributors, banks. So these intermediaries end up charging a lot of cost, which is bared by the investor alone in the form of total expense ratio. Jio BlackRock is going 100% direct. It has removed all intermediaries. With this, the individuals could purchase mutual funds directly on the platform. Well, but how would an individual understand how to purchase a mutual fund and how to analyze all these things? Here comes the BlackRock's flagship investment platform called as Aladdin. Aladdin stands for Assets, Liabilities, Debt and Derivatives Investment Network. But how would Aladdin help? Well, it would help people in making their portfolio by providing them the data. It would also help in eliminating any kind of risk by providing them real-time risk analysis and also help them in trading and execution. But things are not that easy for Jio BlackRock. This is because there are already competitors in the market in both online and offline categories. Previously, BlackRock had also entered into a similar kind of JV agreement with DSP, but it didn't work out. So Jio BlackRock needs to develop a brand and a trust. Most importantly, Jio BlackRock needs to make sure that the mutual funds give good amount of returns to people. So let's see how returns are. अगर हमें returns अच्छे मिले and this comes out to be positive, you never know, एक दिन ऐसा आएगा हम सब बैठ के जियो ऐप के थ्रू इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करेंगे.